bet you practiced twig race a lot while you were sick. Look, Urobe's pigeon. Dad must have sent me a message. Oh, no. What is it, Vicky? Follow me.
Next time the men bring us back this kind of junk, we'll make them sort it out themselves.
Sven and his pirates have attacked the Drakkar. We need to get help and use the pigeon to go find them.
Oh, no, where can we be?
What can we do?
Without a boat, we can't do much.
Oh, this is terrible. I want to see my
this is
husband.
terrible.
What's going to happen to them?
Calm down. I'm sure Halvar's already thinking of a plan of escape. Perhaps not.
I have an idea. I need your help.
To the mines of the West. Mine workers are rare nowadays and are priced according to their weight. Just with those two, I'll be able to get my ship a golden bow.
Aha! Perfect.
Do you think they'll serve dinner?
Stop moving, Fax. I'm trying to breathe here.
And you're taking all of my air. Can't you breathe somewhere else?
Shush. I'm trying to think of a way out.
Maybe we could rub our noses like Vic does. We might get an idea.
Hey, I can't reach it. Rub my nose.
You rub mine. I'm not touching your dirty nose.
Do you think it'll work? They should be here soon. They always come for Vic.